And welcome YouTube and BitChute to our meteorology segment. Here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news, we are into facts. That's probably why we have only like 2,500 subscribers on YouTube, because facts are now considered controversial. So here are the facts of the 250 hectopascal winds, known as the jet streams. Huge kink over eastern Australia. Check it out, the jet stream's coming up like this, and then making a sudden turn to the east. Shout out to Kimberly, likely clear skies over your head at the moment. A pretty concentrated jet stream over the northeastern portion of Australia. A little less coherent jet streams in the northern hemisphere. Here are the surface winds of the east side of the planet. Continued low pressure here south of Australia, making for some high seas in the southern oceans, as it is now winter down there. Here are the surface winds of the Americas, and the jet streams are staying way north of the U.S. for the most part here. We'll show you a forecast for that. Here are the jet streams of the Americas. We've got, once again, extreme meridional jet stream flow here. Look at the north and south movement there, the 250 hectopascal winds. You can see the jet stream almost entirely staying north of the U.S. at the moment. And that huge, what amounts to an upper level low here, right off the east coast of the U.S. Here are the jet streams of Europe and Africa. Huge meridional jet stream bends here over the North Atlantic, as you can see. And these are the surface winds of this side of the planet. Got a powerful low there in between Iceland and Norway. So here's your GFS forecast for the jet streams. And you can see the jet streams are expected to remain mostly north of the U.S. here. That'll put some convective forces once again at play. You may see some weird weather traveling in odd directions as a result of this pattern. That's the GFS 72-hour 250 millibar wind. Here's your weather.gov map. We've got some heat advisories and a large swath of flood watches there over Pennsylvania, New York, Maryland, parts of Virginia and West Virginia. Also large parts of New Mexico under some flood watches. If your county's lit, click your county on weather.gov. Here's your lightning mapper from the NASA GOES. That's where the lightning goes, and there was some concentrated lightning there in northern Missouri in the past 10 hours. Here's a real-time lightning map to see if there are any active cells at the moment. Looks like we have some in Kansas. Hey, Kansas City, there is a lightning storm to your west-southwest. So we'll just zoom out here to Blitzertung's full map. That's lightningmaps.org. Lots of lightning there in Central and Eastern Europe. Here's what's going on over the Pacific Ocean. We've moved to the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite here. This is the water vapor environment over a very desolate portion of the planet, the South Pacific. The Pacific Ocean being the world's largest body of water and largest surface heat sink. Due to the high heat latency of all that water, that's what's going on to the west of us. Here's your GFS 72-hour pressure and precipitation forecast. Expecting some extreme weather here showing up in the North Dakota area. Again, some weird weather patterns expected to show up here as a result of that jet stream influence being so far to the north. That's your 72-hour GFS pressure and precipitation forecast. Here is your satellite imagery from windy.com. And it's the first full day of summer. We hope you're enjoying it so far. As the sun rises over the east coast of the U.S., And here is your U.S. Doppler radar map. Here's shortwave radiation showing clouds and fog. And here is the water vapor map. You can see once again some moisture being sandwiched in between these relative high pressure systems. And that's causing some huge pressure gradients and a little bit of precipitation there in places like Missouri and Kansas. Hopefully that helps you understand how to forecast your weather. Here is the recap. Radar.weather.gov. Clouds and fog. And here's water vapor. And thanks to our BitChute and YouTube viewers for tuning in. Let us know in the comments if you find it strange that we receive more views on BitChute than on YouTube. Don't you find it odd? We certainly do here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. But in any case, may that terrestrial wind be at your back.